Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to purchase Compound on the Coinbase application. It is actually very easy and simple to do, just takes a couple minutes. Now, I would like to point out before I get started with this video that I do have a tutorial showing you guys how to create your Coinbase account on your phones if that is needed. I will have that linked in the description as well as in the comment section down below. So just go ahead and navigate over to there if you guys need help making your Coinbase account. Now, to purchase Compound, you just want to go over to the Coinbase application and open that up. Once you're in the Coinbase application here, you just want to go to the bottom of the screen where you see the blue circle and the arrows pointing the opposite ways. Just go ahead and click on that and then click on Buy Crypto with Cash. You can then scroll down and you will find Compound right here. You just go ahead and click on Compound. And I will like to just point out in here as well when you're on this buy screen that you can set up repeat purchases. So if you want to purchase Compound on a bi-weekly or monthly basis, you could just click on the one-time purchase option right here. And then you could click on the option that you want to, when you want to repeat your purchases, whether it's on a bi-weekly or monthly basis, you can just click on that option. And then as the same thing for the one-time purchase, you just type in the amount of native currency right here that you want to spend, whether it's on a bi-weekly, monthly, or one-time basis. So let's just say if I'm going to type in $300, I can type that in. And once you do that, you want to click on Preview Buy. And what this will show you guys right here is the exchange that you're going to get for the Compound. So right here, it shows for $300, I'm going to get 0.41 Compound. And then below that, it just shows the Compound price as of the time of this video, as well as the Coinbase fee and the purchase price that I am paying. Now, if you're okay with what you have here, you just want to click on Buy Now at the bottom. Once you do that, your Compound will then be in your portfolio, and you can access that by going back to the main screen right here, and then going to the bottom and clicking Portfolio. Then here, you will find your Compound with all your other tokens that you have on the Coinbase application. And now, if you guys need help transferring Compound out and you don't know how to do that, just leave a comment down below, and I'll be happy to make another video showing you guys how to transfer it out into a secure wallet. Anyhow, if this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.